Hello friends, do you want to know about the most powerful smart chain-based crypto platform of 2026? A system that runs on the blockchain is completely decentralized, is based on smart contracts and sends income directly to your wallet. So today's video is very special for you. Today we'll talk about GreenNMax. What is GreenNMax? GreenNMax is a smart chain-based crypto platform that works on blockchain technology. This platform is fully transparent, is decentralized, is powered by smart contracts, is based on a wallet-to-wallet payment system. This means no company holds your money. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain. What is decentralization? Decentralization means no single authority. GreenNMax runs on the smart chain via smart contracts. Contracts run automatically, cannot be hacked. Interference is impossible. This is the true strength of the blockchain. USDT BEP20 system. GreenNMax operates on the USDT BEP20 token. Value of USDT 1 USDT equals 1 United States dollar. Advantages: price stability, simple calculation, protection against market volatility, easy exchange. A small amount of BNB is required for transaction fees. Supported wallet. To join GreenNMax, Trust Wallet or any BEP20 supported wallet is required. The wallet will be completely under your control. Earnings will be deposited directly into your wallet. GreenNMax marketing. GreenNMax marketing is built on smart contract technology running on the smart chain blockchain. This system uses USDT tokens in the BEP20 format. With a stable exchange rate of 1 USDT equals 1 United States dollar. To send USDT or any other token on the smart chain blockchain, users need a small amount of BNB to pay the transaction fee. GreenNMax BNB contract. Smart contract, referral linking, personal wallet registration details, registration fee, 30 USDT. You can earn 4 types of income here. Direct sponsor income H1. Globally auto pool income, slot upgrade income H2, level income. Talking about direct sponsor income H1, to earn auto pool income, you must bring in 2 direct sponsors. Each direct sponsor earns 30 USDT and is auto-distributed. Global auto pool income operates on the auto pool auto upgrade system. Level income example, level 1, when 2 people join your team. You receive $2 from each person. Total income, $4. Level 2, when 4 people join, you receive $5 from each person. Total income, $20. Level 3, when 8 people join, you receive $8 from each person. Total income, $64. Level 4, when 16 people join, you receive $15 from each person. Total income, $240. Total potential income, level 1 to level 4, $328. This structure has the potential to multiply your income with team growth. Auto pool income is automatically reinvested. Self-upgrade H2 package, 50 USDT to upgrade to slot H2, pay 50 USDT. Benefits: 100% income from the first sponsor, 30 USDT per entry from the second sponsor, unlimited income possibility. Level income structure. The income structure is provided from level 1 to level 10. At level 1, with 4 partners, you earn $120 at $30 per partner. At level 2, with 16 partners, you earn $64 at $4 per partner. You can see the level calculations in this way. Income multiplies as you advance. Potential income can reach millions of USDT upon building the structure. Terms and conditions: peer-to-peer transaction, 10% service charge, auto pool auto upgrade, smart contract based system. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.